of the stars, Wayne Handley.
Oh, look, they're going to move. There it goes.
To her own air show act. Melissa is flying an action pack by plane versus monoplane. This is the battle of the sexes act with Rob Holland in his ultimate biplane. Check them out at rivalryairservice.com. Not only does she get to do scuba diving and base jumping, but she does maritime photography, she does drawing and painting, and she tries to be a positive role model and inspiration to young people in aviation and women across the world, showing that no dream is too big and nothing.
What do you think about that?
She was a keynote.
Huh? What do you think about that? Is that pretty cool or what? Yeah.
Mentioned this a few years ago. Always looking for invitations.
Those jets pretty loud? Oh, wow. Did you see that?
The Lycoming engine she got, 326
Whoa, that was pretty bad.
You now, it's got 326 horsepower. We've got 10,000 horsepower from the United States Air Force Reserve.